What up, what up, what up? It's your boy KJ, and I'm back with another video. I told you I was coming back. With the comparison video of the Chargers, we're reacting to them. We getting into it right away. We're not wasting no time. We dropping video after video after video. You feel me? Why waste time? Let's just go and get it out the way. Yeah, you saw this shirt in the other video. It don't matter. I'm shooting multiple videos today. Just rock with your boy. We talking about cars, ain't we? That's what we finna do. Have y'all liked, share, and subscribe to the channel? Well, if you don't, you better get it done before this video is over. Or else. Don't make me come looking for you. You feel me? Don't make me come looking for you. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, man, we doing this today. We're doing King Daytona Charger wide body versus the EV Charger. And I think it's wide body also. So I want y'all to tell me which one you think is better. I know which one I like for me, but you tell me which one you like for you. Let's get to it, man.
Okay.
You already know which one of these things is breathing like that. I ain't even got to tell you that. The EV got its stuff. It's got its exhaust system on it's going to be on a speaker system. So.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it's going to give you a little exhaust sound so you don't feel out of place in the car, but there's no exhaust. So you know this real wide body right here is breathing. I'm pretty sure it's a 6.4 liter. I think I'm right.
4-door beast versus the 2-door. What's up? My boy.
Looking for a ride?
Heck yeah. Need some gloves. Left one. All right. So we got the wide body King Daytona Charger.
Guys, which one are you taking right here? Just off of looks. Which one is your cup of tea? You can call me old school all you want. I'm going with the older wide body with the hood scoops and all that, with the vents in the hood. That's just my swag right there. That's the one I want. The EV hasn't done enough to grab me just off of initial. If I look at these two, I'm automatically going with the wide body, the regular wide body. Don't get me wrong, the EV does look kind of mean right there, but I'm going with the older wide body.
Front end, both look good. This one look more modern than the EV, and this one just got a muscle look to it, guys, like a timeless body style.
I'm with him on that. The EV does look more modern. It looks like it looks like a new Challenger to me. That's what it looks like to me. We going Dukes of Hazzard with that one, like 2025 Dukes of Hazzard. If I'm looking for muscle aggressiveness, I'm going with the King Daytona. I'm thinking about a muscle car, sound like muscle car, look like it can run off and snatch the drawers off somebody. That's the one I'm going with over there to my right. Hood pins, SRT baby, Hellcat. I called it a scat bag. It's a SRT Hellcat. I was wrong. I think Dodge copied Ferrari with that.
I like the way that hood is.
They got that from Ferrari.
Actually, it's crazy because this really the hood, but it's still the front bumper. This really made on the front bumper.
That was cool, just being aerodynamic, you know what I mean? I love that one. That's the one right there.
Body
I love that
wise,
one.
man, on the wide bodies, it's like flares. It's not really like it's really like flares on the body. It's not really a wide body.
I know it's just flares on the body, but it looks
This
so
one-
good to me. With the
The
26s,
EV, this is a real wide body. Like it's no pieces connected to it to make it a wide body. Look how far out these fenders come.
yeah, I see
You know what I'm
that.
saying? I'm gonna have to move it to see like exactly how much wider it is.
It looked pretty wide in the front. I'm not gonna lie.
Side profile.
This is whack! I can't get jiggy with this shit!
Still got the marker on the side. The fender. Then you just come to one big ass door. I wonder how that 4-door gonna look.
It's nothing about that side shot looks good. Like if you hadn't had your first car yet, you hadn't bought a Charger or whatnot, but it has nothing. It does nothing compared to the King Daytona, and the King Daytona has 4 doors. It's killing this two-door version of this car. To me, the factory wheels on the King Daytona look better than the factory wheels on the EV. To me, and I'm always for putting a little gas in and hitting the slab. You know what I mean? Smack gas. That's what me and my cousin Worm used to say, smack gas. You're going to put that gas in, you're going to hit the road. I do not want to go somewhere and have to pause for 30 minutes before I can make my trip because I got to charge. So that's just me.
Then you come around the back. I like what they did with the lights. I like how they kept the lights just one single big light. And this is my first time seeing it. You got the Daytona on the bumper. And something else.
And guys, the speakers are down here in this very bottom part. Right below the Daytona, you got this piece that look like it's a grill in it, right? Now, that's where you hear the exhaust sound from. Like you can change the sound of the exhaust. We're so used to hearing that all the cars and trucks we drive or have driven up to this point got motors in them, right? And your exhaust pipes always come out the back or somewhere close to the back, and you can hear that. So they wanted this to sound as close as it could to something that we're used to driving, right? So it's not too quiet. So those speakers are right there. I think, how you pronounce it? Fraxonic? I don't know if that's the name of the speakers or what.
See what it say.
Fraxonic.
Then the speakers, shit, I guess the speakers at the bottom.
Yeah, they're in that lower part.
Then you get to the backside over here.
The back of the Daytona is killing the back of the EV. There's no comparison, man.
This back is better to me.
Right.
This
More aggressive.
the back of the electric EV, the back of the electric EV is more of a retro design. I think that's
Right.
what they was going for. But I like this back better. But they
Right.
both got the long running lights.
It looked like Dukes of Hazzard back there. It looked like, yeah, Dukes of Hazzard, Challenger.
Plus you got the spoilers, so the Scat Pack version of that, you get the spoiler, make it look better.
And the black Forgiatos with the floating caps, they eat that car up. They are eating that up. The Hellcat look, King Daytona Hellcat
Interior.
look great.
Let's get to the interior. let's get some
Alcantara
heat.
everywhere.
Yeah, my hand's freezing. I gotta warm my hands up. Man, my hands is super cold. Gotta get some gloves. I left my gloves.
You at least got the heating seats too?
Yeah, yo.
Oh, yeah. As soon as you got that heating seats,
Ah.
Actually, I forgot to close the back on.
The door. All right, so we get to the inside. I mean, for what it was at the time, it was good. They always had too much plastic. Like, all this shit just always been too plasticky around here. And I think some of these you didn't even get the dash wrap. Y'all know this is a King Daytona and some of the other cars. I love the seats though. Like, I love the Alcantara in the seats. Always like it better than having leather on leather. Little design, badging.
Right.
How this whole system set up. I like the steering wheel. I don't know. I think I like this steering wheel better than the steering wheel that's in there now. And I definitely like the shifter better. This one is 1,000 times better than that one. I don't know why they switched it up and try to make it like a gun handle or something, but it's definitely trash. Button wise, these buttons got good tactical feedback. It's only they individual, they're not all together. I like how the other one, everything is made into the, like on the screen on that one, but making that one long piece is trash. And then you got your roof.
I agree with you. Even though this older Charge, this naturally was a gas, natural aspirated engine Charger. Even though that interior hasn't changed much over the years, it still look more, how'd I put that? I mean, each one of your buttons is separate. When you push the button, it doesn't affect the other ones. I mean, it's just Alcantara on the seats. To me, it just looks better. Now, like he's saying, the screen in the EV looks good, but like the buttons that work the screen, all of them, when you push one, it's kind of like you push all the buttons. I don't know if that was some cheap. Maybe you're just supposed to tap the icon. Maybe you're not supposed to press the icon. I don't know, because I haven't been in one yet. But it looked kind of cheap in the EV, kind of rushed.
You know, you got your back seat, which is cool because it's a 4-door. So you can sit people in the back. It's going over to the EV interior. So you guys can tell me what you think. What
You gotta have a roof too. Even though the roof slow you down if you're racing.
Which one you like? The old or the new?
Wow, I like the big body. Or the wide. But
This one wider. It's wider. This one. It's wider.
I like this.
Having the extended out,
I just like that.
the fender flares. Yeah.
And it makes it look scary.
Yeah.
Fire. And check out the interior.
I'm siding with you, Jess.
Guys, got the cool door. You finna leave right now? I'm gonna have you take a thumbnail for me real quick before you go.
I like how the door light up on the EV, and the steering wheel is tight.
Good. I like how they went with the doors. I like the design, man. It got like a, a futuristic flow to it.
It does.
Yeah, they padding it out, but guess what they did still again?
Back with a lot of plastic.
All this
That's what Dodge does.
bullshit ass plastic, not wrapped up, but it flows. Like it flows with the dash. They put a little Dodge emblem down there. Still a bunch of plastic shit. Seats. The seat's comfortable, but well, y'all know I just got a stage 1 RT, so I'm pretty sure the seats get better. But I like the Alcantara in the seats. The seats plain. They don't even got no badging on them. The mats.
Yeah.
Too. Nothing on them. No badging. No nothing.
I'm not ready. The EV doesn't. It doesn't. Outside the door, the steering wheel, and maybe the screen, it's not nothing that really just grabbed me on the interior. It's not really nothing to jump up and down about.
Lights and shit over here to change. The updated steering wheel. I like the other steering wheel better. I don't know why. Maybe it's the way it feel. The screen, definitely like it better. The whole like dash up in here, you got the heads up display over there. I like that better. Just how everything just running through that dash up there with the color. And then this screen, so you got a double screen. And I like, I'm a futuristic type guy, so I really like the LCD, the updated screen.
Right.
They pretty much wrap the whole dash until you get to here. And This shit is trash. You got phone charging down here. Little 2 cup holders. The start button is pretty dope right here. Now I like that. That's dope. You know, usually it's up here, but you know, once you get into like your Lambo and stuff, you get to pull that up and press it right here. So that's pretty dope.
Okay.
They added this bullshit.
Power lock.
Parking brake, like the supercars got that too. A lot of cars got that, but I don't like that shit. Then they gave me something else. What the hell is this? Key card. Man, somebody could have been stealing my shit. They done gave me a whole. What the hell is this too?
Well, CJ, you gotta check your stuff out when you get it. I know you got so many, you don't get to check through all of them. But guys, look, it's not a whole lot more to this interior on this car. It to me, it sucks compared to the other Charger. The King Daytona wins all the way around. I know some people love the EV, and I'm not mad at you, but for me, we're gonna stick with the gas, natural aspirated engine Charger. I'm just with the gas. That King Daytona Hellcat is to die for. You feel me? So yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, my people. I'm not gonna hold you long. We're gonna get in and get out. And like I said, jump in those comments and let me know which Charger you taking, gas or electric. I'm with gas all day, buddy. And I just appreciate y'all coming back to the channel, checking these videos out. And hey, man, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.